01 TVN House by Saraiva e Associados in Brazil. Surrounded by the tropical forest in Itacaré, Brazil, disguised among the vegetation emerges Casa 01. The design was thought together with the environmental constraints and condominium regulations, ensuring that it would not stand out on the landscape, and at the same time, it would fit within a parallel surface and avoiding extra soil movements. The neighboring landscape was the main motivation for this project, so much so that it demanded architectural structure to be reduced to the absolute minimum. The marriage between this structural exercise and the site's slight slope made it possible to enjoy fabulous panoramic views toward the sea from all en-suite bedrooms. The material palette was chosen bearing in mind the relationship between the environmental requirements and the actual use. As a result, the most impactful were the ultra-compact surfaces, the minimal lining, and the quartzite. All noted for being specific materials and solutions for the aggressive local environment. The construction was extremely demanding and rigorous, articulating the foundation's reinforcement, protections, contention, special draining techniques, and impermeable barriers. In addition to the main house, there are two other special constructions, the Orchid Botanical Garden and the Beach Bar. The Orchid Botanical Garden houses an orchid collection that will be used on the main house decoration. It is estimated that some 1,500 plants will be sheltered within a pine structure, MLC, laminated wood. Designed in a pure geometric shape, a prism, totally prefabricated and assembled on site. The beach bar was ordered via FG+SG Vietnam, executed in bamboo and rattan, produced and treated in an organic curve shape. A team flew into Brazil specifically to assemble the structure. The project carefully assured, on various nuances, the privacy of its residents as they are a large family with extended relatives and appreciate and nurture togetherness.